There is no guaranteed and foolproof way to make money quickly and easily. Success often requires dedication, hard work, adaptability, and sometimes a bit of trial and error. It's important to choose a path that aligns with your skills, interests, and values. Also, be cautious of scams or get-rich-quick schemes that promise unrealistic returns. If it's too good to be true, then it most likely is. Making money has various strategies, approaches, and methods depending on yourself. I am not going to provide quick and particularly easy steps, but instead I will highlight some ways to start getting money. Step 1. Employment. Getting a job is the most common and simple way to earn money. Look for job openings in your field of expertise or interest and apply for positions that match your qualifications. If you do not possess such skills or qualifications, start by asking what you are truly passionate about and how you could get employed by doing them. Of course, some jobs do pay less than others, but sometimes it's not just about the work alone that makes a man particularly rich. It's the ways he uses his mind to find alternative and creative ways to implement more of himself into achieving more things at the same time while being fully employed. I do highly suggest researching about side hustles and passive income. Hopefully, the rest of the steps will provide good ideas on the matter. Step 2. Freelancing. If you have skills in writing, graphic design, programming, marketing, or other areas that I forgot to mention, you can offer your services on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. This allows you to work on projects for clients and get paid for your work while having some free time to do so. Do not neglect your current full employment and work on things other than the work that you are employed already in your typical work week. Make sure you find the time for your job and your freelancing endeavor. Step 3. Entrepreneurship. Although it is particularly hard these days, starting your own business can be a way to make money. This could involve creating and selling a product, offering a service, or even starting an online store. Keep in mind that entrepreneurship often requires careful planning and investment. If you are trying to create something, make sure your idea is foolproof and that the most important questions about it are answered, which are, has it been remotely done already by someone? Does my product perform a specific task that's not on the market at the moment? And finally, if there is, how can I make it unique enough to make people switch to my service than the rest of my competition? There are many other things you should consider doing before truly starting to invest in your business. Researching on the matter is a great start. Step 4. Investing. Investing money in stocks, bonds, or other assets can potentially generate returns over time. However, investing carries risks and requires knowledge, so it's important to educate yourself before diving in, especially with the stock market. I would like to personally clarify that I do not promote any such acts and am only trying to present a broad picture on the matter. Step 5. Online content creation. If you're enthusiastic about content creation, you can earn money through platforms like YouTube and Twitch. Growth can take time and a certain effort on your part, but if you think that you stand out enough and have your own little idea on how to help or entertain, you should definitely give it a go. Start off by doing it as a hobby in your free time and progress depending on the growth. Step 6. Affiliate marketing. If after discussing the previous step you have made a blog, website, or a social media presence of some kind, you can earn a commission by promoting products or services through affiliate marketing programs and sponsors. It's a pretty straightforward act, but keep this in mind. It does require you to have a specific audience, and it will not happen immediately when you start. Simply continue working on your media, and over time, it will add up to the point where you will start sponsoring and promoting. Step 7. Teaching and consulting. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, to the point that you feel confident enough to teach it to someone else, you can offer tutoring or teaching services either in person or online. A common tutoring and consulting services these days are courses where, from a certain fee, the tutors help people understand certain subjects or consulters for individuals who need guidance. Although that approach can take time to blossom, as most successful tutors in this particular field are already well-known individuals. Step 8. Rental income. If you own property, you can earn money by renting it out as a vacation rental by using platforms like Airbnb or long-term rental. Depending on where that property is, you can expect specific prices for your space. Be reasonable and make sure your space is ready to accept guests. With the right mindset and a smart combination of 2 or multiple different income-gathering strategies, an individual can truly become unfathomably rich. It all boils down to how much dedication, research, and effort the individual is bringing to the table. If something doesn't work for you, try a different approach or step out of it for a little while, and take a moment to collect your thoughts. In the end, what sets the rich from the poor is the amount of effort, endurance, insistence, and the thought they put into their work and skill. If the skills that I've mentioned are currently hard to obtain, make sure you take a step back and work on yourself before diving deeper, as a building cannot stand without proper, sturdy foundation. Thank you for watching. If there are any other topics I should cover, or if there is anything I've missed, let me know in the description. Until next time.